Suzuki just redefined what an adventure sport motorcycle can be. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 is bold, aggressive, and absolutely ready to dominate. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're tackling Suzuki's powerful new contender that's shaking up the motorcycle world. Design. The RM-Z 1050 carries unmistakable Suzuki aggression. Sharp, angular bodywork flows seamlessly into a sculpted fuel tank, while bold graphics announce its presence immediately. The chassis features a lightweight aluminum frame designed for rigidity and precision. Slim ergonomics keep the rider planted and in control. It looks fast standing still, exactly what Suzuki intended. Performance. At its heart sits a 1050cc parallel twin engine producing impressive horsepower with explosive mid-range torque. Acceleration is thrilling yet manageable. Fully adjustable suspension handles everything from spirited canyon roads to light off-road adventures confidently. The braking system inspires trust, delivering strong stopping power with excellent feedback. This machine begs to be pushed harder. Features and technology. Suzuki equipped the RM-Z 1050 with serious technology. A vibrant TFT display offers customizable views, while multiple riding modes adapt power delivery to conditions. Cornering ABS, traction control, and quick shifter come standard. Smartphone connectivity keeps everything integrated. It's a performance package wrapped in smart engineering. Conclusion. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 delivers excitement without compromise. For riders seeking thrills with versatility, this one checks every box. What are your thoughts on Suzuki's latest creation? Share your opinions in the comments. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this review and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for weekly motorcycle content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.